My name is Alan, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be demonstrating a bookkeeping application. So it's a simple demo. I'll walk you through the various prototyping I did and motion design and so on and so forth. So this will demonstrate basically how a user will book a concert or an event um, on through a mobile application. So right here is the cover art that I designed. Go ahead and proceed to the style guide. So these are going to be all the components and assets that we'll be utilizing throughout the course. I would also like to thank Daniel for providing some of these assets and um, providing me the course. It's on Udemy. If you type in advanced Figma course, I'm sure you'll find it there. And the guy's a great guy. He pretty much taught me most of the stuff that I learned to this day. So I highly recommend that program. Anyway, so moving forward, this is the icon section. So I always create one of these for every project, any kind of icon I use. I put on here and including the prototype. Components section, so this is pretty self-explanatory. Any components I create, I usually put here as well. You see the nav items, the cards, etc. And then the assets. So these would be like buttons and labels, and here's a switch right there. And the rest of these are more larger components. So these would be like a content feed and etc. So a bunch of different stuff here. So we'll go ahead and move to the prototype. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the prototype. It's a little bit buggy because of sometimes Figma doesn't work the best. So let's go ahead and make sure the quality looks good. There we go. That's better. All right, so this is the booking app right here. So you can sign in through using Google, Facebook, and Apple. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so again, we're using motion design. So these transitions, you can learn all of these through the motion design courses on Udemy as well. Um, Here are the sign in return options. Let's go ahead and sign in. So here you can see that there's videos playing in the background. So these are basically trailers. And then towards the bottom, you have a For You section, which will display various booking events through cards. At the top, we have a tab menu, and we have a slide animation incorporated into here, so it changes the content as well as you can see, but you can toggle between the three options. Okay, so let's go to the search. Okay, so search, you have these categories right here. So we have six to choose from. We also have the For You section popping up here. This time we have the card presented in a horizontal perspective. We also have the category popular and upcoming as well. You even have a little icon here so you can like the event and that will basically appear on search. So let's click on one of these categories. So there's a little animation right there for you. So we're in the concert category, similar topics For You, popular, upcoming. And we'll be able to click on the first category here just to show you what it looks like when you click on an event. You proceed to go to this page, which will show event details. Here we have the schedule, so you can schedule when you want so this is pretty much when the event will be taking place from the 30th to the 5th. So you can choose which day you would want. And then you have a little venue map right here of the event. And then you could select your seat, choose how many seats you want and how much it'll cost. This is an app that's originated in Japan, so things are going to be done in yen. Okay, synopsis shows us the event details, such as highlights of the performance and then terms and conditions to keep in mind. So I'm using accordion styles here, as you can see. And then if you click on this, we get a notification that it's been added to the cart. I also have a little play button here, which will show you the trailer. Okay, I don't know if the audio is picking up on this, but these buttons are controllable. It's a little bit buggy though. There we go. And then you can like this as well, and it'll show up on saved. Okay, let's go back. Now let's go to the saved section. So these are basically where all the events that have the like icon submitted by you. So anytime you press the like button on an event card, it'll save onto this section here. So these are all where you can click, and then this here will take you back to this page. So this is the same event that we went to before. We happen to like it, so it's saved onto this section. And then let's go to the last option, event. So here is just general events coming up. So this would be similar categories for you, popular and upcoming. So you can select through all the events on here. And then again, this card is the one that takes you to this side. Okay, and then we'll go to the cart and account options. So let's begin with cart. So when you add a event to your cart, it'll appear here as shown. When you click checkout, you get to the payment section, which you put your information and then the card info here. Click payment, make payment, and then you get the confirmation, the event that you paid for, the details of the event, and then you get a barcode that you can scan at the event. Okay, so let's go to the account. So for the account, it's pretty simple. You set up account, sync, notifications, and then you can log out. And we'll do log out to show you what it looks like. And it takes you back here. So that's the end of that video. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. This is my second video, so if I do make some mistakes, whether it's through my design or the way I explain the process, feel free to shoot me a message or leave a comment. And the goal is to get better, and hopefully I can pump out a bunch of these, at least ideally once a month would be the goal, but we'll see how that works out. Well, thanks for listening. Have a great day.